Joey the rat. Joey the loser. Bro, you know what make this even sadder than normal? Is you literally are so pathetic, bro, that you are literally your own fan club, your number one fan, probably your only fan, because you name anybody that's your friend, that legitly is your friend, that come on camera and talk about you in a positive way. Not a negative, a positive way. They come on camera, talk about you in a positive way, and they generally your friend, and they like you, love being around you. I bet you don't have one. Bro, you don't have a single friend. I could bet you any amount of money you don't. And you want to know why? Because you a loser, bro. Don't nobody want their don't nobody want you associated with them whatsoever. Why? Because you're a racist. Excuse me. You're a racist loser. You don't deserve friends. You don't deserve them. Because friends are people that would be there for you no matter what. No matter what. Thick or thin, bro. Thick or thin. You would never be or have a legit friend. Because you're a coward, bro. You're a coward. You're a loser. That's what you do. You scared to you know you'll never have a back. Because having a back means you might have to get dirty. You might have to fight. You might have to get your hands dirty. Fight for somebody else. And I tell you straight up, it is a lot harder being a good friend. No, let me take that back. Sorry about that. It is easier being a great friend than being a crappy person like you. Because you have to lie about everything. You lie about everything, bro. I've never seen somebody lie so much. You have to lie just to go down the street, bro. You have to lie just about money. Because you don't have none. And if you was this good that you claiming you singer, you are a rapper, why you still broke then? Why haven't you made it anywhere? Please answer me that. Please answer me that. Because I don't get it. I don't get it. Because you say you this, you say you the best the best at this, the best at that. You this, you that. Nobody ever seen nobody ever better than you. See that just confuses me. I'm not gonna lie, bro. That confuses me like no tomorrow. Because you on YouTube, bro, and YouTube, you know, you're supposed to get noticed. That's why you on YouTube. I mean, I ain't saying I'm the smartest knife in the drawer when it comes to all this computer stuff, but I have to be a pretty good idiot not to know that if you on YouTube a lot like you should be getting noticed. And second, if you were this great of a rapper, singer, thug, I just think you should have been noticed by now. That's my opinion. And bro, you terrible, bro. Just call it what it is, bro. You stink. You stink, bro. I'm not gonna lie. You already know you stink. You stink high to the highest level of terribleness, bro. You are the definition of sorriness, and it makes me laugh that you don't see it. That you really are delusional, bro. You should be wanted for attempted murder. You should be wanted for attempting to cause suicidal tendencies. You should be marked for that, bro, because you are terrible. Bro, I have never seen a rapper slash singer in my life that can't do neither. Not even close to neither. Not even remotely close to either one of them. Bro, you are just terrible. And it's time for you to stop thinking, or no, stop trying to make it out to be people just being haters, or people just trying to be negative towards you. No way, bro. You are good and terrible. No freaking way. You are terrible. Terrible. That's what you are. That's what you always will be, bro. You cannot do nothing, right? You are terrible. I'm just saying, I'm just being real with you, bro. You are so bad that you are so bad that if you try to sell your soul to the devil for rap skills, he still deny you. say, nah, bro. I'm good. We got enough rappers. We got Jay-Z down here. We got Beyonce down here. We got them all down here. So I'm good. Though. No, maybe later, I need a garbage man, maybe later, maybe that, man, you never know, bro. Keep trying back, maybe I might need your soul, but for right now, nah, we gonna go a different route, you too bad, bro. You are the worst rapper we have ever seen. You, bro, are what we call terrible. That's what you are. You're terrible, bro. You're terrible. You are good and terrible, bro. That's what the devil will keep telling you. Like, he'll be like, where'd you sneeze? Tyree sneeze? Sneed? Yeah, we good. We don't need your soul. And you'll be like, y'all clowns, man. Devil, you the clown, man. That's what you would say to the devil. Even though he told you like countless times that you are terrible. You are terrible, bro. You'll be the first person in hell to get denied. be like, hey man, you see Tyree try to sell his soul again? They like, man, he tried to sell his soul again because he said he the best. He want to be the best rapper and singer alive. They like, yeah, man, but then he said, you already that? Yeah, he did say he already the best rapper and best singer around. He ain't got the most money. Like, they be like, devil, man, don't sign him, man. You sign him, everybody go think we are the worst of the worst. They think we slipping, bro. Do not sign that dude. Do not sign him. He is terrible. Because he just don't get it. You see it? You hear his songs? You hear that terrible one? It's called Cannibal Hawk. I guess it's a cannibal hawk. He eat other hawks. That's what he do. He eat other hawks. Yeah, it makes no sense, bro. None. It makes no sense. Why the heck would it be cannibal hawks running around here? Eating other hawks. Why would he want to eat other hawks? I don't know. I thought they want to get together and, do their thing together, be, turning green together, jumping around together. I guess not, It's one of those things, I guess, bro. But yeah, he's good and terrible. Jesus Christ, man. Jesus. You have to literally tell him, like, no more music today, bro. No more music. That dude gonna get somebody hurt. For real, bro. You gonna get somebody hurt with that terrible music. It is like listening to a freaking cat a cat fighting and another cat in heat making these songs he make. And then, bro, he says, and I quote, he can sing too. Sing. Yeah, bro. Yeah, you heard it right, bro. He tries to sing. Bro, I thought I didn't hear it all. Until I heard his disgusting voice on that YouTube. Jesus Christ, bro. Give it up, man. Give it up, man. And this is the best one, though. Best one I ever heard from. This dude says, and I quote now, quote, he would have been this as big as, or bigger. Well, he already say he got more money than Jay-Z, Kanye, and all them have. He has spent more money than Kanye and Jay-Z and them has made. It is unreal. It is unreal how this dude thinking is. I mean, bro, Joey the loser. Why do you think, bro, that people believe that nonsense, bro? Why? Why do you and why are you trying to act like people believe that crap, that you got money like that, man? You are broke, bro. And for the 999th time, you don't got checks. You don't got checks. You don't got a bank account. You don't got money, bro. You don't got none. And I don't know why people that listen to you and hear you don't say it neither, man. Because, bro, you don't got no money, man. You don't got no bank account. You don't got no checks. You don't got no printout of what money they owe you. They don't owe you nothing. And you know they don't owe you nothing. You are so fixated on saying that you got money, you got this, you got that, because you just don't want to let go of the fact that, bro, you are a nobody. You are a nobody. You don't want to, it's like it's killing you. It is killing you that you are a nobody and you are broke. Your family don't want you. That chick actually definitely don't want you. And I truly believe you thought this chick was gonna stay with you because you, Joey the rat, Joey the loser. I just surely thought you think she's just beneath you, that she's gonna stay with you no matter what. Like, you ain't going nowhere because I'm Joey the rat. I'm the biggest rat on this earth. That's exactly what you thought with that bride. And she just flat out literally played you, and you have nobody. You literally thought you had her in a bag, and she is a freaking nobody, and she ain't finding nobody better than you. I mean, and second of all, bro, that is so creepy. I have never heard of a man calling himself beautiful and you beautiful, you prettier than Brad Pitt and whoever else. I've never heard of a man praising himself like that. That is, bro, you don't think that's weird? No, it's just step to the side of just the weirdness of it and the creepiness of you saying yourself. But to say yourself is pretty and cuter than this person, that person, bro. Have you looked yourself in the mirror? I mean, bro, I truly believe, man, you are dangerously dumb. I'm talking about, like, bro, you might have to walk around with a helmet on your head all the time. I mean, because I just, bro, you cannot stop digging in your nose. You can't stop doing it. It is so disgusting, bro, that I have to like look away sometimes. Cause you dig up your nose and then you literally just wipe it on your face or keep on going. Just keep on walking with it. Like, I just digged up my nose and I don't care. I digged up my nose and I don't care. That's how you act, bro. Like it ain't nothing. And then got the nerve to, after you do that nasty crap, have the nerve to talk trash about somebody else. Now, please, tell me how that work. Please tell me how that work. How do you dig up your nose and then, after you dig up your nose, how do you wipe it on your disgusting, ratchet hands? You have it on your hands after you dig up your nose. And then after you dig up your nose, you just keep on going with what you're talking about. And then, on top of that, after you do all that disgusting crap, you literally just be like, start talking about other people. I don't even know how that is. I don't even know how you thought that was okay. I mean, you have to know how disgusting that is. And you think it's funny too. That's what makes it even nastier. Bro, I mean, you are literally, bro, like dangerously like disgusting, bro. You are so nasty, man. And that's with all sincerity, man. You just like, I never seen it before, bro. I have never seen somebody so nasty than you. You are by far one of the nastiest human beings. One of the nastiest. Not the nastiest, but pretty close, bro. Because that nose picking crap you do, man, is uncalled for, bro. You can try to act like it's funny. You can try to act like it's no big deal. Push come to shove, bro. You are disgusting. And you would never get a woman remotely attracted to you. For all that nose picking crap you do. Yeah, bro, I don't care. And if a woman lie and says she don't care, she's lying too. Because that is disgusting. That is utterly disgusting. And I'll tell you straight up, that Ashley chick, I don't know how long she was with you, but I know that crap just didn't just start. Because I've never, in my 39 years on this planet, have ever seen somebody so foul and nasty as you are with that nose crap. Because that nose crap is, that's up there. That's ratchet up there with the rest of the disgustingness that comes with you. Because you are disgusting, bro. Disgusting. And you just do it, and do it, and do it, and do it, and do it. Right in front of us. Like you be like acting like we ain't there. I mean, it's like, if I was next to you, I'd be like, you just go wipe those boogers on your face. Just like that, ain't you? And then you say you beautiful, and you be like, I'm beautiful, ain't I? I mean, good Lord, you got false teeth, bro. And then you be talking about other people. How you gonna talk about other people when you are disgusting. You're like by far one of the most foul people on this planet, man. This because you dig up your nose and then wipe it on your face and then act like we didn't see it. And I tell you, like I told you before, man, shame on those your flunky fans, because no way, no freaking way they should be allowing you to dig up your nose like that, bro. You top notch nasty, bro. I'm serious, bro. That is top notch nasty. Because you don't even hesitate, bro. Before you know it, you 2 fingers deep, bro. 2 fingers deep, and you do it like, oh God, when you be like, you be talking about, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? I catch bodies. I'm gonna catch a body. Y'all keep on saying stuff to me. Keep on saying stuff to me. As you digging up your nose, talking about y'all gonna catch bodies. Y'all gonna catch bodies. No. What we gonna catch is one of those disgusting thick boogers on somebody. Or we gonna catch one of those boogers on your face. Just chilling like, hello. Hello. I say he throws me up here for later, for he can pick it off his face. And then be walking around with no shirt on. Man, cover that bird body up, bro. Your little short little arms. Bro, I have seen arms longer on the little person than on you. Bro, you are the epitome of no hope, no chance at ever getting past this life of being better. I'm so sincere, like, bro. Whoo. And it's just like, I just never seen it before. I just never seen a grown man dig up his nose right in front of thousands of people, and you just keep doing it, and you know people tell you about it. Like, stop doing it. It is disgusting. It ain't cute. It ain't funny. It ain't nothing but disgustingness that you should be ashamed of yourself, because you're a grown man. A grown man. Do you understand that? A grown man that digs up his nose. A grown man that literally has no life. You have no life, bro. Your life is all predicated on YouTube. And I'll tell you what, bro, YouTube should be ashamed of themselves too. Because you know what? Your butt should have been off YouTube. I guess being racist do get you some perks. Because you're one of the biggest racists on YouTube. You know, that's the life. That's the day and age now. You could be a racist and you get likes. You get left on things like this, YouTube, Facebook, and all that crap. That's why you would never, ever, ever, ever see me on Facebook, see me on YouTube, see me on Twitter, see me on all that crap. Because you know what? I don't need this crap to make me feel important or make me feel like I have to say stuff. Because I have looked and I watch people and YouTube send out warnings to this, warnings to that, but not one time have I ever seen YouTube, Facebook, anybody, Twitter, anybody ever take off these racist pricks, these racist, terrible people. And it's like, they literally act like it's okay because it's getting likes, it's getting views, it's getting people subscribing to this crap. But after these giblet heads do something so foul and so evil, mass shootings, freaking people coming out of nowhere just being racist because it is like the new fab around here. Do you know it's like worse now than it was in the mid 80s, in the early 90s to the middle 90s. I'm more conscious of my surroundings now with all this racist stuff, all these shootings and stuff, than I was then. I'm 39, and we used to have to worry about racism, but to be honest with you, we rarely seen it. Because people was more scared to do it back then. But now, you have a president that literally is staying in power just because. Just because he can do it. And this society is accepting it. Because if society wasn't accepting this garbage and this evilness, Trump would have never been president. All these racist things that's going on and being said by every Caucasian, every Puerto Rican, every black person. Because this is be real. Black people is racist just as much as white people are. Puerto Ricans are just as racist as a white person is or a black person is. Jewish people the same way. Greeks the same way. It's just nowadays people got balls to say it and think that they are justified by saying it, doing it. Which that blows my mind. Blows my mind that people is getting away with this stuff nowadays. Getting away with it. And it's like, everybody say, this is society now. That's how it is now. No, it's not like this. It don't have to be like this. Cause you on TV or you on a video. You got to show out and look dumb because you want to be on TV. I have never seen this before. I have never ever seen this life. Growing up, I'd have never thought this is going on. This will be our normalcy. Oh, on Monday, Monday Night Football. So another teacher said the N-word to a kid. Another guy walks into a freaking church or a store, starts shooting up the place, or a school worse, 10 times worse, shooting up a school, and it's just like being broadcast like that. Like, man, another shooting, and it's like, oh my God, it is not acceptable. It was so scary and alarming. Because, I'm going to stop talking like this. Because this is for other crap. I ain't about to tie Joey the Loser into this crap. Because he's just as racist as the rest of them. But he's such a pussy. He tried to act like he's not. He's scared to stand up for what he's been talking about. If you can't stand up, you don't know how to stand up for nothing. You going to fall every time. And your butt have never stood up for anything but being a coward and a pussy and a racist. So it is like this. What makes me laugh and kind of make me shake my head is because can anybody tell me that when Obama was getting his first run of president, he didn't have all this, I'm going to grab your cooch, or I'm going to talk about Puerto Ricans or Mexicans or black people. I'm going to talk about this person, that person. He didn't have not one black eye on his resume. But he got power drive through the media and with people like he had Trump's resume coming in. And Trump had Obama's resume coming in. But Trump gets a pass, not for, being a stand-up person, not because he loves helping the people and loves generally helping make sure we are better today than we was yesterday? No. He wanna be on Twitter. He wanna answer people on Twitter and get smart with people on Twitter and don't even understand how to be a man, how to be a stand-up man, stand-up person. Because you got idiots and morons out there praising this man for absolutely nothing but hate. He's getting praised by women too, and a select black people. I'm more disappointed in women supporting this man than I am black folks. Because you know what? We got idiot black people too. And whoever wanna think it's okay to say you for Trump, if you can't come out and look yourself in the mirror because you did something, you know it's wrong. You know it's wrong. If every time you say something you got to defend it like it's going out of style, it's wrong. You know it. We know it. Everybody around you know it. Because I never seen somebody have to fight just to wear a hat. A hat. A hat. To me, that is bananas to me. Bananas. Straight up bananas to me. But, what do I know? I just think that it is so much evil in this world that people like this Joey the Rat Sneeze think it's okay to pick and choose when to use the N-word or talk about Mexicans or talk about this, talk about that. And he's coming out doing it, not hiding, because he knows it's like, he thinks it's okay because Trump is in office and everybody else do it. So I find it unreal that women supported Trump. And I'm all about women's rights, man. Look, man, if a woman good, let her do it, man. I don't get that. I don't get it at all, man. A woman could do something just as good as us, man, let that girl ball out. Let that woman ball out. Ball out, girl. Because you know what? You got to take the good with the bad. You can't say when you're doing the bad, you can't be like, I'm a woman. So, you know the consequences of doing something. Let her do it, man. Dudes, men out here thinking it's the worst thing ever to let a woman do something. Come on, man, stop it. I just think that y'all women, y'all should be disappointed in yourself. Because this was one of your best opportunities. Best opportunity to get in office, to be the President of the United States. The President of the United States. And what y'all do, instead of jumping on the opportunity to do it, y'all drop the ball. How you drop the ball on something this important? Drop the ball and then voted for the dude. That dude has no respect for women whatsoever. And y'all giblet heads just served yourself on a platter to him. Just served it on the platter. Case in point, this giblet head, Joey the Rat Sneeze. You go put down a woman that you supposedly love, You put her down because she ain't dumb, and she wasn't scared to say, man, you're a train wreck, you're a racist, I'm out. I'm out. And instead of you just saying, all right, whatever, man, whatever, your loss, I'll move on. No. You tried to belittle her and try to act like she's just the worst thing since sliced bread. Talking about drugs, this and that, this and that. Even though your funky, worthless, spineless, rat-looking, nose-picking butt go try to throw her under the bus, say she did this and that after you knew she gave you the money back. Now, if that ain't low, I don't know what is. I don't know what is. I really don't. I never would have guessed a grown man, trying his hardest to belittle a woman just because she don't want nothing to do with you no more. And then have people, which now I'm kind of seeing, you don't got no fans. You might got one or two giblet head losers, but besides that, no way. No way. I truly don't believe you do. I'm pretty convinced that you don't have fans. You might have one or two, but besides that, bro, you have none. Nobody want to be associated with you, because you are what the world would say is cancer like no other. That's what you are, bro. You are a walking cancer. That shoes you get into people's skin, it is over. It is over, because you are what people would say, man, just straight up loser. No chance of ever turning yourself around and being a decent human, because you just think you're right, everybody else is wrong, and then when you know you're wrong, you literally cry like a little girl and start complaining, and you want people to be like, oh good, won't you be my friend? And as soon as somebody be a friend, you talk about them. You talk about them like dirt. And then, broke again, you want somebody to kiss your butthole. You trying to kiss everybody's butthole. You said you go quit YouTube 50 times, bro. 50 times. And every time, you back to 51. Every time. You know why? Because you have nobody in your life. YouTube is your friend. And I'm here to crush that. YouTube is not your friend. YouTube will never be your friend. YouTube will never be anybody's friend. Because I'm finding out and seeing, YouTube is just like the rest, trying to make a buck off of misery. And then when somebody call y'all out, then you act like you was a stand up human, and you try to make things better for people. Because if you did, Joey the Rat Sneeze would not be on YouTube anymore. Because y'all would act like y'all don't hear him, see him talking. I've seen that loser smile as he's saying the N-word. Smiling. He is a N, because he ain't like me. So I'm gonna call him an N. Why not? He's been doing it for 10 years. 10 years, YouTube haven't found him. Haven't heard the racist comments. Haven't heard the sexist comments about women. Haven't heard him saying he'll kill everybody, even though everybody know, everybody mama know he's the biggest pussy in the world. He couldn't kill a goddamn dandelion. But that's not the point. The point is he still made the threat. And I'm getting warnings because I'm trying to get this dude off of YouTube. Off of YouTube. But people like us get warnings because YouTube has no spine. Oh, YouTube will have a spine after something terrible to happen. Then YouTube will be like, we didn't realize how bad it was. Yeah, okay. Yeah, you didn't realize how bad it was. Yeah. Just like people in these school shootings. Come on, man, stop it. But like I said, I ain't going to that crap. That's for people that want attention. This is my little 2 cents because you know what? My little 2 cents, man, it don't affect nobody. It's like throwing my 2 cents into a mother effing ocean. So I leave like this. Joey the Rat. I told you, bro. I'm going to crush you. I'm going to make you quit. Because YouTube can't do it. I'm going to do it. Bro, I have every... bro. I told you. You're the easiest case I have ever had. Ever. Because you're a nobody. You're a nobody. You're a spineless nobody. And you know what? We got enough nobody, spineless men in this country in positions that they sorry selves shouldn't ever be in. Ever. I thought I heard it all, bro. Thought I heard it all. Until I heard a woman in a African American taking off Trump. Wow. Wow, that is amazing to me. Wow. Now you talk about that dribbler head from Milwaukee, that sheriff that quit being a sheriff to go suck on Trump's butthole. Jesus Christ. Man. Like I said, loser. You are such a loser. A loser. Thank you very much.